Hello guys, meet my friend Edmund.
Hey,
He's
what's up,
from
guys? How are you?
Philippines.
How are you? Nice to meet you guys. We are here in Saudi Arabia to face the hot climate. Hey, what's up, yo?
You know Telugu, right?
Huh?
You know Telugu.
Telugu?
Namaskar.
Namaskar, bye.
బాగున్నారా?
Jai Sri Ram, bye.
బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నారా?
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
తిన్నారా?
తిన్నారా?
ഹായ്
One of my Kerala friend.
സുഖല്ലേ എല്ലാവർക്കും
ഇമ്രാൻ ഭായ്.
സുഖമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു
நல்லா இருக்கு.
Come,
எல்லாருக்கும் സംസാരിക്കല.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു HSC കൂടി ഉണ്ട്, മലയാളി ആയിരിക്കുന്നു
എവിടെ?
ദേ,
എവിടെ ഉണ്ട്?
ദേ ഇരിക്കുന്നു.
He's very nice guy.
ഇതുവരെ ഒരു orange.
తెలుగు మెచ్చి.
తెలుగు మీద చెప్పను
నాకు
నాకు
ఆరెంజ్ కావాలి.
ఆరెంజ్ కావాలి.
బట్ నా దగ్గర లేదు.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
అందరికీ
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
എല്ലാവർക്കും വണക്കം.
എല്ലാവർക്കും വണക്കം. ഭോജനം ആയിട്ടാ?
ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചോ?